Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share home decor and DIY each week. So for the past few weeks I have been sharing with you places where you can get affordable Christmas items and home decor. This week I will be sharing with you some gift ideas that you can purchase for your loved one this Christmas. So let's get into it and start sharing those gift ideas. So the first category I will be starting off with is gift for men. I know men gifts are hard to get. I'm going to switch it up a bit and give you some things that you might never thought of. So the first gift for a man that you can purchase is something personalized. For example, you can personalize a t-shirt for him with his favorite footballer, his favorite baseballer, basketballer, whatever it is. You can use a number as well that he loves. You can also personalize a mug. And also, I remember purchasing a t-shirt as well. I think it was on Amazon that said never underestimate the power of, and the person last name was there as well. So you can purchase gifts like those because everyone loves anything personalized. The next item on my list is a spa gift card. Some of us might think that men don't like to be pampered and so. Well, guess what? Purchase a spa gift card that they can go and enjoy a little massage. They can get their foot done, they can get their hand done. So just give them a gift card as well. You might be surprised that they love it. The next gift on the list is jumper cable. These are some portable jumper starter pack that you can recharge your battery or you can jump start a car. So for example, if you have a car and the car needs a booster, this small jumper cable can do the job instead of getting another car to jump start it for them. So that's a great gift as well. The next gift on this list is a personalized journal. It can be a regular journal, but if you make it personalized as well, it would be good. So you know, some men are organized, they're in office. That's a great gift for them. The next gift is a rechargeable lighter. And when I say rechargeable lighter, if he smoke, there are some lighters that you can recharge it as a USB. He would love that as well. And since I'm in lighter, you have some rechargeable watch as well. So you benefit by giving him the time, and also it lights his cigarette or whatever he smoke. The next item is a neck massager. So they have these massager that you can put around the neck, you can relax and give him a massage. He would love something like that. And also, since you're a neck massager, you can also get a foot massager. We all love these type of massaging and stuff, so a foot massager would be good as well. So these are great gifts. These are affordable gifts as well. I know they would love you for it. The next thing you can purchase is like a waterproof speaker. So if he's a person that loves water and stuff, you can get a waterproof speaker. And since we're in water, you can also get a waterproof case for his phone. That would be a good gift as well. And also you can get like a camping gear set if he loves camping. You can also purchase a laptop riser or a laptop fan. A lot of men don't really use a laptop fan or laptop riser, but you know this will help protect the laptop as well, as it rises it and let the air flow from the laptop so it doesn't damage the fan. The next thing you can purchase is a blanket. It's Christmas, it's winter, it's a cold time. You can purchase a soft blanket as well. That would be a great gift. And also, since we're in blanket, you can purchase some nice socks as well. Men love socks. And you can also purchase belt. A good leather belt that can go with anything. Men love belt as well. It's nice to see when they dress with their belt and the leather backpack as well and their briefcase. That's a good look. So those are great gifts that you can purchase. On the list as well is a multifunction pocket knife. You have those little knives that have many little smaller tools in it. Those are great gifts as well that you can purchase. The next thing that you can purchase is like a coffee mug warmer. They have these coffee mug warmer that when he's like at his desk, the mugs sit on it and it keeps it warm. The next thing you can purchase is like any power tool. It can be a drill, a saw, any tool like that. You can purchase a tool if they're handy and love those simple tools. The next thing you can purchase is something for beard. Anything for beard, such as beard trimmer, the oils for beard. They love their beard, and even if it's not beard, you can always purchase like trimmers and liners and so on. They would love a gift like that. So these are the men gifts that you can purchase, and let's get into the women category. So starting off with the women list, a few of them might be from the men list as well, such as a neck massager. Neck massager and foot massagers are great gifts that you can purchase for a lady in your life. Those are great gifts, as sometimes you just want to sit down, relax and have a little massage. It feels good, I can tell you. She would love a gift like that. The next thing that you can purchase is a nice scented candle. A candle that will put her in the mood. Those candles, she can relax and have a cup of coffee. And since I mentioned coffee, you can also purchase one of those coffee mug warmer as well. So when she's sitting, she plug it in, put her cup on it, and it keeps her coffee or her tea warm. You can purchase a nice coffee mug, like those clear glass mug. I love them. That's a great gift as well. And since we are in coffee and tea as well, a milk frother would be good. So those frother helps to froth your tea, give you vibes and make your tea look good. I love those as well. So that's a great gift that you can purchase for her. You can purchase like a nice wall mirror. You can purchase a nice wall art or something that is framed. You can DIY art as well, so you can draw something. Some women love stuff personalized. You can buy a nice faux plant. Those gifts are nice for ladies. A woman that loves to cuddle as well, these throw blankets are nice. You can get those soft nice blankets. We love that as well. And as I mentioned, the men might love it, the ladies will love it. You can also purchase a personalized keychain or a necklace or so. They have these keychains that you can put a logo in it, such as her horoscope sign or date of birth, something that is personalized. Women and people in general love personalized gifts. If you're purchasing a jewelry for her, you can purchase these nice watch that show the star sign in it as well, or that have some glittery or so in it. Don't purchase the normal watch. You can purchase nice necklace as well, like these that have the crystal in it. So if you're going to purchase a jewelry, purchase something unusual that you might not have already. You can purchase ear products that like the flat iron, the crimper, blow dryer, simple stuff like those you can purchase. You can also get her a journal so that she keeps track of her organization. You can also get a nice cushion as well and personalize that cushion as well. Also, you can purchase one of those pocket warmer. These pocket warmers, especially in the cold countries, it keeps her hand warm in her pocket. So if she's on the road and it's cold, it keeps her warm. Also, you can purchase a nice recipe book as well, such as the Italian, the Indonesian, something out of the box. So whatever country she is in or from, you purchase some food different from that. So for example, a Jamaican, you can purchase a Chinese cookbook, Italian cookbook, something that is different that she might like. And the last set of stuff that you can purchase for your lady is like those type of lamps, like the floating moon lamp. You can do a DIY gift as well. So these are a few lady stuff that you can purchase, and I'm just going to give you some random items. So on the random list, you can purchase like protein powders, any healthy powder like that, like the tea bags, coffees, chocolate, anything like those. You can purchase headset if they're into gaming, or so you can purchase like the light up keyboard. You can get like a comic book if they're into comic. You can get nice reading book. You can purchase Kindles as well. You can purchase online audible book. There are so many stuff that you can get. You can get like a world globe, purchase an air fryer, a dash camera. You can purchase a tripod stand if they are into those gear stuff. You can purchase one of those mic as well that they use for voiceover if they're into those stuff, so you will know what they're into. You can purchase a nice software. For example, if they're into editing, you can purchase a nice software like Final Cut Pro if they're into those type of software. You will know what software they like and you can purchase something like that. You can also purchase one of those security cameras like the Ring security cameras. So these are a few stuff that you can purchase this Christmas. You can start purchasing them before Black Friday or on Black Friday so that you get great deals. In my last Black Friday video, I mentioned stores that you can shop to get great deals such as the Amazon, the Best Buy, the Walmart, the Target. Head on over, start buying, and enjoy your Christmas. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.